Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 1143, which is longest common subsequence. Given two strings text1 and text2, return the length of their longest common subsequence. If there is no common subsequence, return 0. A subsequence of a string is a new string generated from the original string with some characters deleted without changing the relative order of the remaining characters. For example, Ace is a subsequence of A, B, C, D, E. A common subsequence of two strings is a subsequence that is common to both strings. In example 1, text 1 is A, B, C, D, E, text 2 is A, C, E. Output is 3 because the longest common subsequence is A, C, E and its length is 3. In example 2, text 1 is ABC, text 2 is ABC. Output is 3 because the longest common subsequence is ABC and its length is 3. In text 1, in example 3, text 1 is ABC and text 2 is DEF. Output is 0 because there is no such common subsequence. So the result is 0. So let's code it up. We are going to use recursion to solve this question. So suppose there are, let's say we have this function. It takes two strings and their length m and n. Suppose if any of the length is 0, then what we are going to return, we just return 0. Suppose if the last character of both the strings are equal, then we will return 1 plus, again we will use recursion, and here it will be m minus 1 and minus 1. If the last characters are equal, we are going to recursively uh, call this function on m minus 1 and n minus 1. If it is not equal, then what we are going to do, we will return max of these m minus 1 and n minus 1. Okay, now at the end we can call this function lcs and text1 text2, and here length of text1, length of text2. So we can also optimize this algorithm by using a lookup so that we can use some memory to store the already computed values. So let's have some lookup here. Lookup is basically a Python dictionary, and the key would be for m comma n. If we already had computed, then we don't need to compute. So if k not in self dot lookup, then we are going to call these if and else to compute the values. Sorry. Self dot lookup, self dot lookup. Okay. Now at the end we can simply return self dot lookup of k. K is basically a key. Let's run the code. Okay, solution has no attribute lookup. Okay, so I think we need to use self here. Solution is accepted, all the test cases are passed. Let's submit the code. So here also the solution is accepted, the algorithm is working fine. The time complexity of the algorithm is order of m plus n. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.